Hello traders, Adam Hansen here for ValorTrader.com, and welcome to video 9, tracking the performance of Evestin Forex automated systems. And this is the 7th week trading the automated systems on our live account. Now if you remember, this is the statement for the week ending on the 10th of March. And you can see here that we finished that week with a closing balance of $10,363.81. And if I just jump across to the statement, this is the statement for the week ending on the 17th of March. So we had a closing balance, so last Friday, of $10,240.15. So that puts us down slightly, 1.2% for the week, and down 10.65% overall since we started trading. Now we can see here we have 5 trades open on the Satoshi robot that were carried over the weekend. Now if we just head across to the VPS, and as you can see, those 3 Satoshi trades on the Aussie dollar are still open. Those 2 that we could see on the dollar yen have since closed for a profit. Now something we also saw this week was a trade on the Fei robot, which is actually the first trade that we've seen since we started trading Evestin. Didn't work out as well as we would have hoped. That's the Fei trade there on the euro dollar. Small loss there, but the thing with that particular trade was that it actually jagged the stop loss by about 1 pip before moving on to rally 100 pips after that in what would have been the desired direction. So unfortunate on that in that case, because that would have profited very well from that. But something I also wanted to touch on this week as well was is to just give you a bit of a breakdown of how each of the robots have performed since we started trading. And if I just head across to here, these are the 4 robots that Evestin trades. So Satoshi, Cable, Gunner, and Fei. And as you can see, the Satoshi robot has performed quite well. Now, bearing in mind that all of these percentages that you can see here are based on our starting balance when we started trading with Evestin on our live account, which was $11,461. So this here equates to a return of 1.8% based on a starting balance of 11,461. And as you can see, the others haven't performed as well, in particular Cable robot. But the important thing to note is that both the Cable robot and the Gunner robot have received some important updates since we started trading, and much of these losses are attributable to the robots prior to those updates. So just this week we had some important updates on the Cable robot, which I'll explain very shortly, and we've also had some updates on the Gunner robot over the last couple of weeks, which just basically just making it a little less broker dependent. So Evestin have made some adjustments as to when the Gunner robot determines if it will enter the market or not. And with the Cable robot, they've made a few adjustments to that one. They've adjusted the stop loss in an attempt to try and bring its risk into line with the other 3 robots. And they've also capped the number of trades per day on each pair. And in addition to that, they've also introduced a volatility filter in there as well. So basically trying to rule out the chances of the Cable robot entering into a trade and then the market rallying in the opposite direction, then obviously the Cable robot trying to recover during a rally. So that was one of the main problems with the robot, was that it would enter into a trade and then the market may rally heavily against it. So that is the aim with this volatility filter that they have introduced, is to try and rule out the chances of that happening. So as I've mentioned in previous videos, the level of support that you get from Evestin is unquestionable. They have a a genuine interest in seeing their clients succeed, and if they, because they're constantly monitoring how the robots are performing, they can make any required adjustments that they see fit. So that's it for this video, guys. We'll continue to trade this one on our live account and bring you a video update next week, hopefully a little bit earlier in the week. I do apologise for the lateness on this one. It's coming to you on a Thursday, which is nearly the end of the following trading week. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to ensure you stay up to date with any future progress videos for Evestin Forex, or indeed any other automated trading system we are using. You can see the full Evestin review on our website. It's www.valitrader.com. That's VALI trader.com. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much for listening. Trade safe and bye for now.